In the realm of managing file data, the term immutability is now a crucial aspect, in large part due to the groundbreaking work of Panzura. By enabling organizations of all types and sectors to utilize immutability for their most frequently accessed data, we have not only revolutionized the field, but also continue to establish new benchmarks for data integrity and data protection in the enterprise. Immutability, within the context of data storage, refers to the concept that once data is written, it cannot be modified or erased. This write once, read many principle is at the heart of our approach to file data storage and management. Immutable storage media has long been a solution for data that doesn't need to be accessed frequently. For example, tape and disk backups preserve data in an immutable form but are slow and cumbersome for data restoration. By contrast, when properly configured by the provider, object storage can provide data immutability. For this reason, it is already widely adopted for data archival or backup purposes. However, adoption of object storage for the most active data is less widespread. Yet, active file data is often among the most valuable data an organization owns. It is also the most vulnerable. Alongside a solution capable of overcoming performance overhead and increased data management complexity, object storage offers powerful active data benefits. Several forces have combined to intensify focus on leveraging the immutable capabilities of object storage. The first is the move to the cloud itself. While it's difficult to identify a precise figure, object storage constitutes a significant and growing share of cloud storage. IDC estimates that unstructured data, which is typically stored as objects, represents as much as 80% of all data worldwide. It is evident that as enterprises continue to transition workloads to the cloud, files present a particular challenge due to their unstructured nature. Enterprises face extraordinary challenges in the threat landscape, which is primarily associated with cybercriminals. Every day, they must defend against efforts to breach their systems and compromise the integrity of their data. Implementing a zero-trust security model goes hand in hand with immutable storage paradigms. Data can be compromised through various means, not just malware encryption, including human error or intentional deletion. There is a growing demand for regulatory compliance, especially in industries where every modification to a file must be recorded in a way that cannot be altered, ensuring it can be accessed when needed. The dilemma that IT and storage teams face is how to accommodate a move to cloud object storage, boost data resilience, and achieve data compliance without compromising performance and productivity. If that weren't challenging enough, they also need to find a way to control the spiraling storage costs that result from exponential increases in file data volumes and subsequent data backup requirements. The Panzura CloudFS platform is equipped with network acceleration technology tailored for handling file data in remote object stores with high latency. This innovative technology, paired with the concept of immutability, has enabled Panzura to overcome the challenges that previously hindered organizations from effectively incorporating cloud storage into their systems. CloudFS, designed for the modern cloud era, has immutability at the core of its IT structure. This approach was developed with a hybrid cloud model in mind, even though the idea of a hybrid cloud was still in its early stages when CloudFS was first introduced. It was then and has always been about ensuring consistent performance and security, whether deployed on-premises or in the cloud. The immutability feature of CloudFS is especially important and has become more prominent in today's cybersecurity environment. By incorporating immutability into the cloud-native architecture of Panzura CloudFS, the file data stored in the system is not just secure, but also able to withstand constantly changing data risks. Unlike competitive solutions, Panzura CloudFS was born in the cloud, able to incorporate the latest cloud security practices from the start. Our focus on immutability is not an afterthought, but a core component that helps organizations meet regulatory requirements and other IT guidelines. CloudFS can protect data from tampering and cyber attacks, such as ransomware, and it can enforce data retention policies. This gives organizations confidence in the veracity and integrity of their data in the long term. In essence, the immutability built into Panzura CloudFS reflects the system's modern, cloud-centric inception. This ensures it stays ahead of the curve in terms of innovation, providing features that are both robust as they are transformative. Implementing immutability in file systems poses a distinct set of technological hurdles. Conventional file systems are not designed with immutability in mind. In fact, they are explicitly architected to allow files to be altered, and retrofitting them to support this feature can be intricate and even impossible. This is especially true as modern data environments become more complex, with a wide array of data sources, the need for real-time analytics, and the rise of cloud-native architectures. The difficulties are exacerbated by the growing demand for enhanced data processing capabilities, stringent data governance and security standards, and the integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies into data infrastructure. We have successfully navigated the technological challenges of implementing immutability in file systems by focusing on purpose-built architecture, performance optimization, and customizable policies. We have demonstrated that with the right approach, the benefits of immutable storage can be realized without compromising functionality or the user experience. This has involved creating an architecture that inherently supports immutability rather than attempting to modify existing systems. It's a design choice that undergirds CloudFS, allowing for more seamless integration of immutability features and providing a solid foundation for secure data storage. Moreover, the additional security measures required for immutability can potentially slow down file access and transfer speeds. Panzura CloudFS addresses this by optimizing for performance to achieve the impossible, real-time global file data consistency for all users. We achieve this through proprietary, patented advanced caching techniques and efficient data management algorithms that minimize latency and maximize throughput by splitting metadata from file data and moving the least amount of data as fast as possible. Immutability does not mean that data cannot be deleted in accordance with retention and data hygiene policies. CloudFS offers systematic support for deleting immutable data when required. When compared to other global file system solutions, this approach stands out. In addition to the established benefits of Panzura CloudFS over conventional NAS storage in terms of cost and resiliency, a more detailed examination reveals important distinctions that greatly affect practical real-world performance. For example, Panzura provides a single authoritative dataset held in cloud object storage with immediate global data consistency and local feeling file performance across all locations. This greatly reduces the overall unstructured data footprint while ensuring data durability without replication. Our approach to immutable storage naturally allows rapid recovery of pristine file data from immutable snapshots taken at granular intervals. The speed at which CloudFS captures and moves file data into the centralized object store from anywhere in the world. This enables organizations to achieve a recovery point objective of under 60 seconds on a global scale. As a result, CloudFS customers can recover from malware, misconfigurations, and malicious or accidental data deletion quickly and return to productivity with minimal disruption. This also has remarkable implications for data security, integrity, and management as the industry continues to evolve. Immutability isn't just a theoretical concept. With the increasing prevalence of data manipulation and cyber threats, immutability is crucial in maintaining the integrity and authenticity of information. Law enforcement agencies, for example, rely on immutable storage to maintain surveillance data and digital evidence, crucial for legal proceedings and upholding chain of custody standards. In healthcare, immutability protects patient records from unauthorized alterations, aiding in HIPAA compliance. Financial institutions use immutable storage to shield sensitive data and transaction records from cyber threats, ensuring compliance with the Sarbanes-Oxley Act and audit transparency. Manufacturers leverage immutability to secure design data and production logs, for instance, when using IoT technology, aligning with the General Data Protection Regulation. With this in mind, and amid the rise of cloud-based infrastructures, the demand for secure and dependable data storage solutions is becoming increasingly important. According to the 2024 Gartner Hype Cycle for Storage Technologies, it is predicted that by 2028, 100% of storage products will include cyber storage capabilities focused on active defense, up from 10% in 2023. This indicates a significant shift towards cyber storage as an industry standard, which in our opinion is not only advantageous, but also provides a glide path to the future. We anticipate a growing use of these solutions for detecting, identifying, safeguarding, and recovering unstructured data assets. Consequently, infrastructure and operations leaders should assess the immutability characteristics of potential solutions in their IT toolkit. Our work in immutability places us at the forefront of this transformation, presenting a framework that others in the field eagerly adopt. We provide a blueprint that can withstand current and future threats, which will continue to have an outsized impact on IT teams as they place higher emphasis on data resiliency. In fact, the concept of immutability extends beyond file systems and includes all aspects of managing data. By implementing immutability principles, we can enhance data visibility, flexibility, and productivity. Panzura's expertise makes us a key player in meeting these evolving requirements. Moving forward, we will keep expanding the impressive capabilities of Panzura Cloud FS. This involves improvements in features derived from immutability, such as advancements in data resilience and disaster recovery, as well as progress in data governance, compliance, and archiving. Our dedication to assisting our customers in realizing the complete potential of data immutability is in line with a broader perspective on secure, dependable, and effective data management. Immutability is more than the foundation on which Cloud FS was built. It represents a vision for the future.